inside this border and seal it. Select this face. Let's insert it. Insert it and pull it down. Zoom again. Looks like there's a little too much wire. If you don't want that much thread, just cave it in. And then choose this side. Press Ctrl plus backspace to remove similar selections. Pick this side again. Press the Shift key and pull it down. Cut the corners here. I'm going to cut the corners here. And then choose this side. Press the Shift key and pull it down. Pull it here. And then a side in the middle. Let's scale it a little bit more. Let's shrink it a little bit more. Rescaling here. And then cut the corners. And then cut the corners here in the middle. So let's go down here and select this face and insert it. Pull down a little bit more. Set the stream here. Set the stream here. All the way down here. So connect through. Okay. And then we go up here. Select this boundary and press Shift to pull it up. Pull straight up. And then pick this side and squeeze it down. Add another edge here. Set upstream. Give it another lift. Here too. Zoom. And then up here. Better give it. Shut it up. And then select this face and insert it. One more time. Collapse here. Select this side similar select remove. Here at the bottom. The holes in the top are too big. The holes in the top are too big. It needs to be changed. Let's insert it in here again. This vertex connects here. This connects here. That should do it. The next one is going to align it to the center. It should be aligned here. This hole needs to be slightly smaller. Select these vertices. Zoom. Don't choose more than one. Zoom in like this. Rascally. Something like this. It doesn't seem to be in a central position. That should be enough. Let's align it to the center of the model. It basically makes sense. Which position is this? Let me have a look. This isn't aligned to that center yet. Let's reline it up. Align to the center of the model. That's how it makes sense. Okay. And then we're going to do the chain. This chain is easier to make. The chain looks something like this. Convert to editable splines, select all vertices. Right-click to turn corner, and then round the corners. This vertex should look something like this. Pull it up a little bit in the middle. And then the bottom too. Pull it down a little bit. Zoom again. And then over here. Okay. Then turn on renderable. Give me another 6. It's a little bigger. And then I'll just give you this number of sides. Then convert it to editable polygons. We don't need to smooth the turbine. Just go ahead and do it. Then make another copy. Rotate 90 degrees. Let's make another copy. Let's make another copy. Move down to this position. Attach it together. Align to the center of the model. You can't really see this part up here. It should still have a cylinder. The end segment is just a 1. Give it 2. Pull up. Make the radius bigger. And then turn it up a little bit. Let's just do this. I can't see it from inside anyway. Convert to editable polygon. Choose this side and cut the corner with this side. 2 segments. Select the edges here to add to card edges. Okay. You can attach it together. It's the same material anyway. Let's give it the same material here. And then choose this side. Give it a group. This plus this. Then turn it on its axis. Align to the center of world coordinates. Then align to the center axis of the model. Give it a reset and a change. And then array copy it. Here we rotate 360 degrees. Give 8. Have a look. 8 lampshades are slightly dense. Let's just say 8 lights. Then smooth the norm. Okay, so this chandelier is done. Give it a uniform texture. This chandelier is all done here. Thank you all.